How to design 5 by 7 postcard in Canva. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay, come to the Canva. Okay, so first I want to show you that templates you can find. Go to the templates and you can search for postcard, and here you can see the lots of templates that you can use as a postcard, and from here you can create from blank page. Okay, the landscape page. Okay, or you can simply take blank page from here also. Go to the create. In for you need to search for A4 and use this document A4 landscape. Okay, or you can click on this. Okay, so you can choose anyone. Now come to the file, go to the setting and go to the add grids, go to the customs. Here you need to select 2, here 1.1, here you need to insert 1.6, here keep 1, and here 1.7. now add to grid. Now you can upload your photos from here. If you have photos on your device, you can upload from here. So after upload, you need to find that photo and just upload. Now you can put that photo here. You have to just manage that size. You need to keep these photos or image into this grid size. Okay, like this. You can change the background color, this. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.